Watch your gems hit 50k and coins soar to 500k in seconds. Welcome to the ultimate DLS 25 hack. Build your dream team and crush the game. Let's dive in. Alright, Android users, step 1 is to open your phone's settings and head over to the apps section. Alright, football heroes, head over to your apps, search for DLS, and please focus a bit on this step. As you can see, I've found and opened it. Now, let's head over to the battery section. After entering the battery section, double check that your power mode is set to unrestricted, so everything runs smoothly. Next, Android users, open your dedicated browser, tap the 3 dots at the top and head over to Settings. After entering Settings, tap on Privacy and Security. Then tap on Send a Do Not Track request and make sure this option is disabled so that our method works successfully. With these key steps completed, we've reached the most important part of this video. Now let's head over to the website you see in front of you. Now, let's open this website. As you can see, this is its interface. Next, choose the DLS game option. And as you can see, this is the website interface. It's crucial that you stay focused. Now let's head back to the game. After opening the game, tap the Settings button at the top, then select Advanced and tap on System Info. Simply copy your game data and device information. Now go back to the website and paste it here, then click on Verify, followed by Next, my friends. Here, the website carefully verifies the information you've just pasted, confirming your device details, checking compatibility, and ensuring your game is properly installed. Just wait a moment. This quick verification is crucial for our next steps. The verification was successful, guys. Now, let's select our resources. I recommend picking exactly what I've chosen here to get the best results. Excellent. Now let's hit this button to kickstart the process. The website will securely connect via its advanced API, carefully verifying all the necessary data, communicating safely with the servers, and preparing the requested resources specifically for your account. Stay patient for a moment, as this step is crucial for successfully adding gems and coins to your game. Oh, guys, I almost forgot. In some cases, especially during high traffic times, the site may ask for a quick verification to ensure servers stay stable and secure. Here, you'll see 2 verification servers. You can choose either one, but personally I prefer using the first one. It's super quick and easy. The tasks are extremely easy, everyone. Basically, you just download apps or games and open them for about 30 seconds, or complete a simple survey. It's super straightforward. Keep in mind that the available tasks can differ depending on your country, so you might have to explore them yourself. Make sure to complete all the tasks thoroughly, and if the first server doesn't work smoothly, the second one might be an even better option for you.